Solving for rank and nullity matrix 3 by 3. So we have an example of how to get rank and nullity matrix using RAF or row echelon form. So we have an A matrix 1, 2, 4, 3, negative 1, 1, and 4, 0, negative 3. R1 plus R2 is equals to R2. So since this is the positive 2, we need to multiply the row 1 of negative 2. So negative 2 R1 is equals to negative 2 times 1, negative 2. Negative 2 times 3, negative 6. Negative 2 times 4 is 8. So plus, copy the row 2. 2, negative 1, 0. Negative 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. Negative 6 plus negative 1 is equals to negative 7. Negative 8 plus 0 is equals to negative 8. So this is our new row 2. So since nakuha na nato atong new row 2, mag-proceed na sa next. 1, 3, 4, and copy na to ang row 2, which is 0, negative 7, and negative 8, and copy na to ang row 3, 4, 1, 3. So same process, so gyapon na itong buhaton diri. R3 plus R1 is equals to R3. Since it is positive 4, mag-multiply tayo diri og negative 4. So negative 4 R1 equals negative 4 times 1, negative 4. Negative 4 times 3, negative 12. Negative 4 times 4, negative 16. So, plus 4, 1, negative 3. Negative 4 plus 4 is equals to 0. Negative 12 plus 1, negative 11. Negative 16 plus negative 3 is equals to negative 19. So this is our row 3.